Hi, and welcome back to another video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Come join us for another baking video and how-to so you can provide delicious treats from our bakery to your home. So let's get started. For today's treats, I'm using 6 pounds of ground turkey. You don't have to use as much, you can just use one package of 3. Pumpkin puree, a pound, and a jerky gun, and a mixing bowl. Jerky guns are easily obtainable online or even at a local hunting goods store. Now that we have our ground turkey and our pumpkin puree already in our mixing bowl, optional, I recommend using a glove for the mixture. Now we're going to mix our ingredients really well for the next few minutes, and then we're going to start taking our jerky batter and filling it in the jerky gun. Now our jerky gun is filled with the jerky mix, and we're going to carefully thread on and tighten the end cap on the jerky gun to start filling our trays. Let's get started. With my jerky, I'll be using a dehydrator on the trays that it came with, but if you do not have a dehydrator machine, baking trays will work just as fine. Now we have all our jerky mix all set on our trays. Let's preheat the oven to 250 or get our dehydrator all set. Now that all our jerky is in the dehydrator, I'm going to set the oven for 167 degrees Fahrenheit with a cook time of approximately 13 hours, and I will check up on it periodically. If we're using a home oven today in your kitchen, once it's preheated to 250 degrees, we're going to bake it for approximately 2 hours. Our timer is complete. Let's check out and see how our pumpkin jerky came out. Very light and crisp. You should be able to break it in half with no problem, and you are ready to feed them to your 4-legged ones. For the most important part of the video, the test.